Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a real treat for you. There's a company called Cobeads that contacted me, and it's an international company. They have customers from all over the world and have branches in the United States, France, and the UK. And they contacted me and wanted to send me some beads to do an unboxing and 2 tutorials for them each month. The great thing was, this was so much fun, is that they let me go onto their website and pick out my own beads that I wanted to. And that was super fun. Their things are beautiful. With each video, I will post the links to their beads on their website and a coupon code. And also as their sales change, I will post them. So I went on their website and I was trying to figure out, a couple things that I could put together for different pieces of jewelry in that. So I know they don't look like they might match too much, but what I have in my head for designing, hopefully they will. So let me get everything together and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I have here is a natural red aventurine bead strand round, 8mm. It's a 15-inch strand, approximately 48 pieces. So these beads are absolutely beautiful. Look at how nice this strand is. This is really nice. Absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to work with these. The second one is a natural topaz jade. They're bead strands, 8mm, about 48 pieces for each strand. These are just beautiful. The holes are really nice in these beads. These are very well made beads. These are the rich. It looks like butterscotch. They're so beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. And this now, this is the natural cherry blossom Jasper bead strands. They're dyed round, 8 to 8.5mm. The holes are 1mm, about 47 pieces per strand, 15.5-inch strands. And I ended up getting 5 strands of these because I just thought these were actually just absolutely beautiful. This looks almost like a strawberry cream ice cream. These beads, and then with a little bit of the black going through them. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And like I said, a really nice long strand. So I got 5 of these. Imagine the things I can make with this. I was so excited to get this box. When they contacted me and they said, I could go out and pick out my own beads. I was like a kid in a candy store, of course. Anybody who's into beads would feel the same way. So yeah, so these are absolutely beautiful. And next here, I have natural gray agate charms with top gold-plated iron loops, star-cut round beads. So I got 10 pieces of these, if you can see them. They're so pretty. Like a smoky gray. All different, different colors in there. There's different hues. Very well made. I love this is already attached at the top. You could do some really cute things with these. And these beauties are dyed natural Malaysia Jade Rondelle bead strands, faceted fire brick. Let me see. 4.5 to 3mm. The hole's 1mm. 115 pieces a strand. So look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. This is just such a rich color. I kind of was thinking, about kind of mixing all of these warm colors together for something. But I'm not sure yet. But I have some ideas here, so. But yeah, these are just absolutely beautiful. The holes are very well made. Look at all of them. Just so pretty. And then this beauty is natural African turquoise Jasper bead strands, round dyed and heated, dark turquoise, 8mm, 1mm hole, about 46 pieces on this strand. It's a 15-inch strand. So these are spectacular. They're so pretty, and you can see the holes are these very well-made beads. They have a nice weight to them too. Absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. And last but not least, I have the natural carnelian bead strands, dyed round 6mm holes, about 63 pieces a strand for 15-inch strand. These are just stunning. Absolutely beautiful. There's the holes here and everything. They are just absolutely gorgeous. So I hope you check this this company out. I will leave their link to their website and the coupon code for percentage off, and also any other what do you call it, things they have going on, you know, any kind of discounts or anything. I will leave that in the link below. So I hope you really enjoyed this as much as I did. This was just so much fun to go pick out my own beads. So thanks for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also you can follow me on my links below: Facebook, Instagram, my Etsy store, and Pinterest. So I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and stay tuned. Within the next week or so, I will be posting some tutorials on these gorgeous, gorgeous beads from Cobeads. I would like to thank them for sending me these, and I hope I make them happy with what I create. So you guys have a good day, and see you soon.